When it comes to manufacturing, you know what you're doing, and you do it well. But where digital marketing is concerned, you might have some questions. Welcome to the Whole Brain Group. We're a group of experienced advisors dedicated to raising your digital marketing IQ by training you on tools and techniques that help drive results. Together, we'll develop a customized strategy, including everything from website design to effective lead generation. At the Whole Brain Group, we keep it simple. We won't overwhelm you with marketing speak, and we'll keep your projects moving with our proven processes. Best of all, no matter where you're at, we've been there. Our seasoned team of marketers and former manufacturers has seen it all and knows how to solve it. Visit www.thewholebraingroup.com/case-studies to see how we've helped manufacturing companies generate more leads while closing more business with a solid digital marketing strategy.